Hi, I'm Anthony Anelito from Sonny's The Car Wash Factory, and today I'm here with Sean Magley, our product line manager for the equipment division. And today we want to talk about our new Plush brush. The new Plush brush is a really great innovation and a real improvement to what we did with our original seat channel hubs. Aluminum cores, top to bottom. We use it on a lot of our side brushes. This is now a plastic ring that goes over a different aluminum core that allows us to put cloth in at the bottom and stops. When we want to take it out, we slide it out. We can take out one section at a time. Open the box from the top. The instructions are on the top, and then the cloth is in the box from the bottom section first, because that's how it goes in. The first piece you take out will go on the bottom, and you'll work your way to the top. It's a game changer for most people, but not only do we make it easy to install, easy to assemble, and last longer, we really also worked on the improvement in the car itself and the wash process. Sean, tell them what else we did.
Yeah, absolutely. We actually played with the cut of the material, so it's friendlier around side mirrors. Another big thing is also we're preventing catches on trailer hitches, and even if it does, something happen to it, we can go ahead and replace that material.
Yeah, you can just pull one out, right, from anywhere it's damaged, and you can put a new one right back in again in just minutes. So this is a really cool feature for any of you customers that want to do things like maybe image change. You want to change the color of the material so the customers know you put some money back into the car wash and took care of it for them. You can change the color of the cloth real quick in a hurry. If you have damaged parts, you can fix those real quick. The other part is it's fully interchangeable with all of our old brushes, all of our old wrap.
Completely retrofittable. So if you have an existing wrap, whether it's hydraulic or electric, this hub will actually mount directly to that existing spindle. We'll just have to buy a new set of cloth and install it that way.
Yeah. So a lot of cool features. I think you're really going to like it. If you want some more information, contact your customer sales representative here at Sonny's or your distributor out in the field, and they'll be able to service you and get you set up and get a new set of brushes sent out with the new material, and you're going to really enjoy it, and your customers will notice the difference as well. As always, thanks for watching. Good luck and good washing.